What's up, guys? Happy Monday. Welcome back to the Fomo Factory. Today we're going to take a look at the crypto portfolios that I'm building that I'm going to give away to you if you have subscribed to this channel and liked this video. What are we going to do for the people that don't know about it? I'm starting this YouTube crypto portfolio influencer challenge kind of thing, and I'm buying into 4 crypto portfolios with coins that are called by famous YouTubers. I'm putting in $2,000 or $3,000 per portfolio with 10 coins, and once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I'm going to give away the portfolio with the biggest returns. And that should be insane, because once Bitcoin hits $100,000 and we already are buying into the best altcoins at these lowest prices, these portfolios can actually 50 or 100x or even more. So I'm very excited about this. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, feel free to do so. It's going very fast. And before I dive into the portfolios, the portfolios are from Becker, Bitboy, Crypto Banter, and a portfolio made by the community. You guys pick the coins, but if you are, joining this channel later than that, it doesn't matter. You can still win. Just subscribe to the channel. I will let you know how to actually win it. First, I want to take a real quick look at the crypto market at the moment, because Bitcoin is sitting at $16,900 at the moment of recording. There are a couple of things in the short term that might look like, okay, we maybe we'll see a new slight relief rally. And why do I say that? Couple of reasons. One, stochastic RSI was oversold and is going further up to the upside, so that's looking quite bullish. Also, every time we go down, we go a little sideways, and then we get a relief rally, we go down, we get a relief rally, we go down, we get a relief rally, we go down, we get a relief rally, and now we also went down, but we didn't really had that relief rally yet. So that might be very logical for me to think that we might see a relief rally. Plus, the S&P 500 also looks like it's sitting on a crucial point, because if you look at this diagonal line, we got rejected here for the third time. 1, 2, 3. This is where it basically started, so I don't see that as the rejection, but 4. We got rejected right there, and that's fine. That's okay with me. Let me draw it better. Yeah, that's okay with me. But now we came down, and as you can see, we are sitting at this point where we might, and it depends a little bit on how perfectly I draw, but somewhere right here, right? We might bounce off of this as well, and then we might go up. So things are going to get exciting for the S&P 500. And as you may know, crypto is still correlated to the S&P 500, right? So if we see a nice bounce in stocks without having any bad crypto news, so no new FTX stuff, then we might see a nice crypto bounce in the short term. So that's kind of exciting. Let me take a look real quick how Ethereum is looking. Yeah, okay. So Ethereum is, it broke out of this downwards trend, and now it's a little undecided right here. So when it comes to Ethereum, yeah, it might look, if things are really going like bad, then I feel like, man, maybe $1,000 Ethereum might be possible, because that's really the next support zone. But on the other hand, if Ethereum manages to bounce here, just like Bitcoin, because also the stochastic RSI is pointing to the upward side, plus the stocks and Ethereum is also correlated, then we might also see a nice move to the upside, which could bring Ethereum to around the $1,400 level. And if we manage to break that, yeah, then it's getting way more exciting. But that's for them. So that's how the crypto market now is looking. The DXY came down quite a lot, bounced off of this level right here, so it's only logical if I move this right here. So this was the level where the DXY bounced, and we have to see what it's going to do right now. I mean, we want this to be low, right? So we could bounce right here and go all the way up and retest this diagonal line. On the other hand, we can also make this level right here, give or take, as a resistance level, and that we maybe break this. That would be very bullish. On the other hand, this is starting to look a little bit better for the DXY. The stochastic RSI completely oversold, so at some point it has to reset to the upside. So I don't know, I'm a little cautious. Things are looking quite mixed signals. Anyway, let's dive into the crypto portfolios. And what I'm going to do as well, by the way, because when it comes to the community portfolio, you guys made the calls and I got more than 60 calls. So I had a watch list with 60 coins. We had to remove like 50, right? We wanted to end up with 10 coins, so we did. But I think I will make a watch list as well with the other 50 coins, just so we can see once Bitcoin is 100K, what actually performed best. And maybe the guys or the people that caught these coins, the top 5 or something like that, they win something extra. I don't know. We figure something like that out. I think that's pretty cool. But let's dive into the portfolios. Spoiler, they're all in loss. That's all I can say already, right? Because the crypto market has just been coming down. And it's not bad. I mean, it could have gone to the upside and I don't want to miss out on that, but I'm dollar costing, right? And I'm saving most of the money for when it's really lower. So I'm not mad about that. But yeah, it's a little down. So let's start with we have Becker, crypto Banter. Let's start with Bitboy's portfolio for a change. So Bitboy's portfolio is sitting in 20% loss. It's not that bad. That's not that bad, considering the fact that I bought these altcoins when Bitcoin was, pretty much higher than what it is right now. So if we take a look at the profit loss, Sandbox is down most, Algorand is down most, Quant is down quite a lot, and the ones that are performing quite well are Polygon, of course, Optimism, Ethereum. So these are the ones that are actually pretty strong. For the rest, it is like, yeah, I don't know. It's all down. So it's a good moment to maybe dollar cost a little bit more in the projects that are actually down that much. Someone is calling me. I don't know if you can hear that through my whatever. Anyway. Bitboy's portfolio, like I said earlier as well, I don't think that this is the portfolio that is going to win this challenge, since Bitboy is if you follow Bitboy's channel, then you know that it's all high cap, right? So his portfolios won't 100x or anything like that. That won't happen. But it's probably a safe portfolio, right? So I'm very curious to see how this goes. Also, I have Stellar, Internet Computer, Aptos, IOTA, and XDC still in the watch list, because maybe I want to shuffle a little bit. I think maybe I want to get rid of something and I want to add XDC and IOTA, maybe, but I'm still looking at his videos to see what he's most bullish on. Let's take a look at Crypto Banter's portfolio. Here we go. Also, a lot of coins in his watch list. I deleted some, by the way, but I had a lot of coins in his watch list. I want to really take the best out of this. They are down 14%. That's not bad. How are they down 14%? Well, it's mainly because of GNS, which is doing quite good because that compensates for a lot of the losses, right? I mean, Kujira down almost half. It's absolutely terrible, right? But Gains Network up 25%. So that's actually quite good. And I think Gains is a very good project. Now, they have a more degen portfolio, of course. I mean, yes, we have Near, Theta, and Lido DAO. These are the high caps, but then we go to the mid, Arweave still, but then we go to the mid caps, Render, Gains Network. Then we go to the lower caps, Kujira, Stargate, and Weather is really micro cap, and Umami, I don't know what it is, by the way. But the fully diluted market cap is 30 million, so that's not that high as well. So that portfolio is doing pretty well. Near wrecked me here, right? Kujira wrecked me here. These were really and it's not that they picked the wrong coins. I picked the wrong time to buy them. Simple, right? But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know if this one is one that I'm going to keep. They are doing a lot of portfolio reviews lately, so maybe I'm gonna replace it. Then we have Becker's portfolio, and he has a couple of coins that I haven't bought yet. Gala, Ultra, and Veracity. Why? Well, Ultra will maybe end up in the crypto Banter portfolio, as Hasselpedia is talking a lot about that. Also, I'm not quite convinced about the tokenomics, but it's not that bad. But Gala has no good tokenomics, and Veracity is something I would never touch with these kind of tokenomics, so I don't even know why it's still here. It's going away. I just don't like the Veracity tokenomics. It will wreck you, in my opinion. I don't even know if I can see on this website, VRA. This website doesn't have, this is a great website to see token unlocks, but it doesn't have shit listed. So it's really undoable. 40 coins, right? Well, okay, whatever. But this is Alex Becker's portfolio, and yeah, down 27% as well. This might be a portfolio that has a chance to win. A lot of low caps. Basically only low caps, except for Kusama. And yeah, a lot of gaming, so I mean, I love gaming a lot and I believe in it. Altera down a lot. Altera is really down a lot. D-Ray is down a lot. Let me take a look. Seedify down a lot. Kusama down. Well, everything is down a lot. Then so I'm still waiting for him to make videos. I don't know. It's just I don't understand the guy. He makes videos about buy this in the bull market, but when it comes to the bear market, where you should actually look into it, he doesn't make that. So I don't know. It's weird. Then we have the community portfolio. So like I said, we had like 60 coins in there. Absolutely incredible how many people had so many different options. It's awesome, right? But yeah, then we had to choose. I had to let a lot of people down, of course, right? We cannot have everything, but it's been done very democratically, and we probably ended up with the 10 best. So the 10 best are supposed to be Polkadot, Engine Starter, Singularity Net, PancakeSwap, Cadena, Alliance Block, Nervous Network, RFox, Divina Finance, and Seedify NFT Space. These are the coins that are still in the portfolio. Now, what asshole called for Seedify NFT? That's really down a lot. That was me. Why? Nothing wrong with the project. Absolutely not. But I bought at the wrong time. I just bought at the wrong time. Luckily, I didn't buy a lot, but I bought at the wrong time. There were still a lot of vestings going on. It did a 50x after they released in a bear market without any fundraising. So they had a way too big of a start. That shows the potential that the project has. But in the meantime, of course, it has to cool down, right? What in the hell happened to Engine Starter, by the way? Also, like, crazy. So we do have some really low cap gems in this portfolio. I mean, yeah, we have Cake and Cadena, which are high cap, but for the rest, Nervous is mid cap, Singularity Net's kind of mid cap, and starting from here, it's already getting low cap, and everything under like $5 million is really micro cap, right? Yeah, that's RFox, SNFTS, Engine Starter, Divina Finance. So I'm really curious how this portfolio is going to how it's going to perform. It's down 18%. It's not bad considering that Seedify NFT Space is down 75%. Engine Starter is down 30%. Divina Finance 35%. But it's mainly because Polkadot is up 17%. Singularity Net's up 19%. So that's definitely not bad. So it compensates a little bit, right? What we can do is shuffle maybe a little bit. Like, okay, let me know in the comments, is that something we should do? Shuffle a little bit maybe. Take some profits, from example, from Polkadot and put it into Engine Starter, for example. Because we are up $30 right here. But this one is down $30, right? So if we put some, profits from this one in this one, and then Engine Starter goes up, then we make a lot more money, of course. Let me know if we should do that. Let me know if we should trade that a little cautiously. Not too much. We don't want to fuck shit up, but just trading it a little cautiously. Let me know if we're going to do that. So these are the portfolios for now. I got comments that my video should be around 15 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. Tomorrow's video will take a little longer, but that's because I'm going to reveal the best $10,000 portfolio. So if I would have $10,000, how would I build my crypto portfolio? I'm gonna show every coin and I will show the allocation that I put in. Takes a little more time, but I think it's a very interesting video, so definitely check that out. In the meantime, still, if you have not subscribed, be a part of the family. I think within a week we are hitting 4,000 subscribers, going absolutely strong. So thank you so much. Please like the video and I'll see you guys very soon.